Paintbrush. I'm not gonna put any cute songs over this madness. This is what it takes to have decent oral health. With your child. Dennis now. Yeah, every day. Twice a day for 2 minutes. Come on. Help me. For me, once I brush my teeth, it's like you're done eating for the rest of the night. Like, that's it. Or I gotta do it again. Doesn't want them to seal this toothpaste in their mouth. And I don't want nothing sitting, no food sitting on their teeth all night. Even though I'm still brush floss in the morning, but still, that's hours. Time is everything. Who knows how many hours it takes for a sugary thing to be on the tooth surface, depending on the child, depending on genetics, depending on everything. So, why take the chance? Just brush. And don't eat after. Then. Look for it. Alright. Open. Okay, open. Very good. Always know where the blood starts. Come on. No. Open. Thank you. It's warm. For love, though. Good rolling always though. Bless you. Bless you. Open. Relax. You're too tense. Close a little. Yeah. Every day, twice a day, for 2 minutes. Close a little. Spit. Open. Cool. It's just not fun.
Yeah.
This is not easy. Done, boss. Come on.
Baby girl.
All right, done.